Hello everybody, my name is John Bell. This is my channel, OFTN Reviews, and this is my introductory video. YouTube likes if everyone has an introductory video, so this is it. This channel deals in mainly three different topics. Okay, product reviews for one, in which I would show you the product, and then we take it apart and go through it and do an in-depth study of it. Okay, we would also go to, like here, for instance, Amazon, and then after I showed you the product, we'd look up the specs on it, discuss it. And then we would put it through its paces, and also on these product reviews here, I have for both the full screen here and the product reviews, I have a bunch of different cameras set up. Okay, I only using two right now, the one that I'm looking at you in now, and this one, which is a top down, okay, shot, of which I could show you the features of something. Okay, this will be one of my upcoming videos here. Okay, you'll have to look for it, OFTN Reviews on YouTube. The camera I'm using is a 480p. This camera right here is a 480p webcam. My main camera right here is a Logitech C920 webcam. This is a true 1080p camera. This one is a 480p camera. And the links are in the description below if you're interested in these. The software I'm using is XSPLIT. Okay, there's also a link to that in the description below under My Gear. All of these are listed under My Gear. Okay, so that would be the how we handle product reviews. Next up, we also handle service reviews. Now, these are reviews of things that there isn't a physical product that you buy, but a service that you use. For instance, you know, how to use the airlines websites to purchase tickets, Expedia, Priceline, you know, things like that. Also, how to maybe set up your Gmail accounts, as you can see here on the screen now. Okay, and also maybe like booking.com. How do you use this to find rooms in Europe? Especially, you can use it to find rooms in the United States. It's much better, much better for finding rooms in Europe. Okay. The link to booking.com is also listed in the description below, and it includes a $20 discount coupon, okay, on your first booking. So have at it. Okay, another thing that we do is tricks and tips for office products. Now that includes Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. I'll show you an example here of an a PowerPoint, where I can run through a PowerPoint presentation like this, showing you each step of the way and explaining how this works. Okay, you get the idea there. And also, now that could have just as easily been a Word document that was on the screen, or a Excel document, and answering specific questions and how do you do this, how do you do that. And under category 3, which is our tricks and tips, the last one that I want to show you is YouTube. I also make videos on in addition to the product reviews and service reviews, I also make videos on tricks and tips for Microsoft Office and YouTube. How to, for instance here, how to properly subscribe on YouTube. Now, of course, these pages are all blown up. Now, I can show you how we do things through regular YouTube here, or another side program that I have here is TubeBuddy. A link to this is in the description. They have both a free product and a paid product if you're interested. There are a lot of videos on YouTube about TubeBuddy. I suggest you watch some of them. It's a very, very handy thing. And basically, that's my channel in a nutshell. So we do product reviews, service reviews, and tricks and tips for Office and YouTube. Okay, I hope you will watch my videos on YouTube and Facebook. And if you see it on Facebook, please like it. If you see it on YouTube, please subscribe. And until next time, this is John Bell for OFTN Reviews, signing off.